Hi there, and welcome to Hyundai Power Equipment. So I'm going to show you how to start it and stop it, how to use it, and we're going to be splitting some logs. So let's show you how to start it then. So having ensured that it's full of engine oil and there's plenty of petrol, we need to switch it on. The on-off switch is here, this red switch, and up from this side is on position, so that's switched on, that will be off. So we'll switch it on. Now the fuel tap, we'll switch that on, fully to the right, so that would be off, and that would be on. And now we'll just turn the choke on, so that's fully to the left. The throttle is here, we'll have the throttle fully to the right, fully to the left, sorry, to start it up, and we simply pull start the unit. Once it starts, we gradually turn the choke off, so we'll do that. Switch it off. And as you saw, I switched it off again on the red switch. So let's talk about the operator's handles. You'll notice that there are two handles on the top of your log splitter. This one is the actuator lock, and unless it is pulled fully this way, you can't pull the actuator handle. I'll just demonstrate, it locks it off. Now the purpose of this is so that at all times you will need two hands to operate the machine, and there's no way that you can have your hands in the operator area. So to operate, I would pull that handle first, then actuate, cut the log, release the handle, and then release altogether, and that is the unit safe again. Now I would recommend that there is no one else in the area while you're operating the machine, because although your hands may be safe, somebody else could put their hands in and it could cause all sorts of injury. So, two-handed operation for safety. So let's get on and split some logs then. Well, as you can see, with its 15-ton capacity, it made short work of that lot, knots and all. I do hope you found this demonstration useful, and for more information on this or any of our other products, simply visit www.hyundaipowerequipment.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and happy gardening.